7. Proven high CPM YouTube. Niches in 2024. Faceless niches that will make you money. Choosing the right or wrong niche on YouTube can make a huge difference in how much money you make. Two videos with the same number of views can have vastly different earnings, all because of one thing, the CPM. But what exactly is CPM, and why is it so important? CPM, or cost per mil, is the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 views of their ads on your video. In simple terms, the higher your CPM, the more money you make for every 1,000 views. If you're starting a YouTube channel or want to maximize the revenue on your existing one, choosing a high CPM niche is one of the most effective ways to increase your income without having to put in extra hours of content creation. Today, I'll walk you through 7 proven high CPM YouTube niches for 2024, all of which you can create content for without ever showing your face. 1. Finance and investment. Why does it have a high CPM? Finance is one of the most lucrative niches on YouTube. Financial services like banks, credit card companies, and investment firms are more than willing to spend big bucks to get in front of the right audience. Videos covering personal finance, investing in stocks, or market analysis can bring in CPMs ranging from $20 to $50. Helpful tip. If you're not keen on showing your face but want to tap into this niche, consider making instructional videos or financial analysis content with AI voiceovers or narration. You can use charts, spreadsheets, and analysis tools to visually explain financial data without needing to appear on screen. 2. Software tutorials and reviews. Why does it have a high CPM? Software companies thrive on recurring revenue. Customers typically pay for subscriptions monthly or annually. Because of this, these companies are willing to spend big on advertising to acquire new customers. Some software-related niches can hit CPMs of up to $100 per $1,000 views. Helpful tip. Create content that reviews or provides tutorials on business-related software, project management tools, or digital marketing platforms. Focus on products you've used or have expertise in, and provide in-depth guides to show viewers the real value of the software. 3. Real estate. Why does it have a high CPM? Real estate is a high-value industry with large transaction sizes, meaning companies in this sector spend a lot to get in front of the right audience. Videos about real estate investment, house flipping, or buying and selling properties typically bring in CPMs from $20 to $40. Helpful tip. If you don't want to be on camera, consider creating explainer videos about how to analyze real estate markets, breaking down terms and trends. Use maps, satellite images, or other visual aids to make the content more engaging and easier to understand, without having to show your face. 4. E-commerce and online business. Why does it have a high CPM? E-commerce is exploding, especially in areas like dropshipping, Amazon FBA, and Shopify. Entrepreneurs in these industries are always looking to expand, and companies in the e-commerce space spend top dollar on ads, leading to CPMs between $30 and $40. Helpful tip. Create videos that share insights on how to start an online business with low capital, or how to optimize profits through models like dropshipping. You can remain faceless by using slides and screen recordings while narrating the process through a voiceover. 5. Tech reviews. Why does it have a high CPM? Tech review videos, especially those covering high-end products like smartphones, laptops, or gaming gear, attract viewers who are ready to buy. Advertisers love this audience, paying anywhere from $10 to $30 CPM to get in front of them. Helpful tip. You can create unboxing or review videos without appearing on screen by focusing on product shots, providing detailed narration, and highlighting the features. Plus, don't forget to include affiliate links to earn commissions alongside your ad revenue. 6. Educational content. B2B. Why does it have a high CPM? B2B educational content, like tutorials on SEO, digital marketing, or coding, has high CPM because the audience consists of professionals and businesses. These viewers are decision makers, and companies in these industries are willing to spend a lot on ads to reach them. CPMs in this niche can go up to $30. Helpful tip: create in-depth educational content on business skills, from building marketing strategies to analyzing data. You don't need to appear on screen. Just use slides or screen recordings, along with a voiceover, to deliver your insights. 7. Legal advice and services. Why does it have a high CPM? Legal services are high-ticket items, and businesses in the legal sector are willing to pay top dollar for ads. Viewers searching for legal advice are often at critical decision-making points, making this audience extremely valuable. CPMs in this niche often start at $30 and above. Helpful tip: if you have expertise in legal matters, create videos explaining common legal topics like starting a business, intellectual property rights, or contract law. Be sure to include a disclaimer that your video is not legal advice to avoid any liability. You can stay off camera by using animated slides or screen recordings. Conclusion and final tips. Choosing the right niche can significantly boost your earnings on YouTube without requiring you to appear on camera. From finance to real estate, from software to legal services, each of these niches offers high earning potential through CPMs. But it's not just about picking the niche. You also need to optimize your content to attract the right audience and advertisers. To make your journey even easier, I've compiled a list of 150 free AI tools that will help you create high-quality, faceless YouTube videos quickly and efficiently. These tools cover everything from video editing to voiceover creation, so you can focus on making great content without worrying about technical hurdles. To get your hands on this free list, just subscribe to my channel and click the link in the description below. Let's make 2024 your most profitable year yet on YouTube.